Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So by the title you all know, today I'm going to be talking about the newly launched Lakme multi-slayer sticks. So I happened to pick up a foundation, a blush and a highlighter, and I've been testing this product for quite some time, and here I am with my complete review and my experience with the product. And without any further ado, let's get started. Now before I get into the number of shades and the pricing and the amount of product you get in, let's quickly talk about the packaging first here. So when you see the sticks, you see a little different packaging on this particular product. So these two are blush and the foundation, and this one is the highlighter. Though I did not like the whole packaging because all are black in color. इसका मुझे पता चल जाता है because ये थोड़ा glossy finish का प्लास्टिक है. इन दोनों में मैं हमेशा कंफ्यूज रहती हूँ बिकॉज ये दोनों ही सिमिलर दिखते हैं. तो आई हैव टू ऑलवेज टर्न बैक, सी द शेड, नेम, देन आई हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड ओके दिस इज माई फाउंडेशन, दिस इज माई ब्लश. So I do feel brand could have done a little extra just to make my life or everyone's life a little comfortable while picking up the product. Because कभी कभी अगर आपने नहीं पढ़ा, आपने गलती से ब्लश उठा लिया तो आप उसे फाउंडेशन की तरह ऐसे लगा लोगे एंड सडनली से oh my god did I just happen to accidentally apply my blush. सो ऐसा मेरे साथ एक दिन होते होते रह गया. सो आई डिड फील कि थोड़ा कुछ तो डिफरेंट कर सकते थे, जैसे कि इसका कैप का कलर ही चेंज कर देते. तो फाउंडेशन में दे कुड हैव गिवन ऑल द फाउंडेशन शेड्स, ब्लश में दे कुड हैव गिवन ब्लश शेड्स. दैट्स हाउ वी वुड नो दैट व्हाट इज व्हाट. बट इसकी प्लास्टिक थोड़ी फ्लिम्जी है कंपेयर टू दिस वन. नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द इनर पैकेजिंग, सो यू ओपन द स्टिक, you have a lid on top of the product. So ये इस तरीके से बंद हो जाता है. So the product is always protected and you close it and it closes really well. Now all the basic details will be mentioned behind, so nothing has been missed on that part. Apart from how I differentiate what is what, brand will get 9 out of 10 for the packaging. Now quickly talking about the number of shades, the pricing and what exactly you're getting here. So the foundation you are paying $8.99, you get 6 shades only and you get 11 grams of product. Talking about the blush, here you get 5 shades to choose from, $8.99 pricing, and you get 13 grams of product. And the highlighter, again it is going to cost you $8.99, you get 13 grams of product and you get 4 shades to choose from. Why waste time? Let's jump on to the first product, foundation. So I'm going to talk about the foundation first, blush and then highlighter, the way I have applied the product onto my skin. So today whatever you see onto my face is all the multi-layer sticks. I did not buy the contour stick because I don't use contour as much. Now talking about the foundation, you get only 6 shades. So shade family तो बहुत ही कम है. और Lakme being an Indian brand, I really don't understand why they do this. They should have easily launched 15 to 18 shades here. Because stick में क्या होता है ना, एक शेड 2-3 shades को generally complement कर जाता है. So 18 shade, 15 to 18 shades should have been there. I'm hoping Lakme would add more shades here. Now the formula is creamy, buttery. It is not a drying formula at all. So being a summer hot weather, the product is extremely creamy and buttery. मुझे तो कभी कभी ये भी लगता है मुझे इसे फ्रिज में रख देना चाहिए because it is so creamy. Now the application is seamless, easy. So you apply the product wherever, however you want to, and then just pick up your brush or a blender and blend the product. Now the coverage with the product, you are not going to get full coverage. You're always going to get a no makeup or a no makeup to a little medium coverage, not even full medium coverage with this foundation. So this is more of your daily wear foundation. If you're on the go, you need something easy and quick, this is the foundation for you. Now since it is an extremely creamy and a buttery foundation, is it heavy? No, it is super light onto the skin if you just go in 1.5 layer of this product. 1.5 means 1 layer you put, सेकेंड लेयर डू नॉट अप्लाई ऑन टू द फुल फेस. जहाँ जहाँ आपको लग रहा है थोड़ा और कवरेज चाहिए, थोड़ा और करेक्शन चाहिए, वहाँ आप लगा के थोड़ा सा ब्लेंडिंग कर लो. मोर देन इनफ है. Do not overdo the product. You will start to feel a little heavy with the product because the product is made in such a manner. You may start to feel a little heavy also if you go 3 or 4 layers with the product. So the best application is 1 to 2 layers, nothing more than that. Now the product stays really well onto the skin. While I was applying the product, you could see the product look very shiny. It is because the sun was directly falling onto me, but it is not super shiny. You can see it for yourself. It is a comfortable matte formula. It is not an extremely matte or an extremely glossy or a radiant foundation. So it is somewhere in between, which does not make you look tacky or oily or excessively greasy during the day. Now one thing with the foundation is that it is a creamy foundation, so after 2 hours of application you have to go in with a powder touch up to take away that excess oil onto the skin. So it does not control any sebum of your skin, it will peek through. You have to just pick up your powder and set your face again. Now this foundation stays easily up to 6 to 7 hours. After 6 to 7 hours I do feel the foundation looks a little dull onto the skin, and your skin also looks dull. So you don't want dull looking skin. So if you know that आप कहीं सिर्फ 6 से 7 घंटे at max जा रहे हो, तभी आप इसे लगाना, otherwise skip this foundation, use something else. So this is the foundation which I do feel personally, like I someday went to a mall or I'm just going for 2-3 hours, some tea, coffee or something like that. If I'm just going to the office for 6 to 7 hours, then I can wear this. If I'm attending a function, then I cannot wear this. So this is the foundation which is for everyday on the go foundation. Hey, another one thing, it does not enhance your texture, it does not settle into your face, but if you're putting it underneath your eye, you do not get any kind of concealing or so use it like a no makeup foundation, then you're good to go. Do I love it? Yes, because मुझे ऐसी चीज़ें बहुत पसंद है. And if you are a person who has a mature and an aging skin, this is a beautiful product which you can buy, because ये बिल्कुल पता ही नहीं चलता skin पर, and it gives you a very nice subtle base which looks perfected, just like the one I'm wearing now. So अगर आपकी mature, aging, oily, dry skin, any form of skin you have, you can definitely try the foundation. It is really done well, because मुझे लग रहा था ये थोड़ा drying हो जाएगा, but ये बहुत ही creamy और buttery foundation है. मुझे इसकी application से लेके staying and the way I felt with the product is 10 on 10. I absolutely loved it. Is it worth $899? I do feel when you make a stick foundation, it gets a little pricier, and since you have to maintain everything in it, $899 is a better pricing. But me myself has got this foundation on a 30% off. So 30% off पे ले लो, ये और affordable हो जाएगा. But brand should launch more number of shades, but otherwise it is fully approved and a beautiful foundation by Lakme. Quickly moving on to the blush. Now the formula on all of these 3 products are same. They all are buttery, they all are creamy, and they all blend nicely onto the skin, and they all feel similar onto the skin. Now here I'm just going to talk about the shades. So you get like 5 shades here. I picked up the shade Sweet. It is Sweet Cheeks. Now this is one of the unique shades, and I'm wearing it onto my cheek. It's not a typical Barbie pink. It has a little bubblegum pink into it, but it has a nice warmth into it. So it sits beautifully onto the skin, just like the way it is sitting, and it just gives you a very youthful looking skin. So the shade is really nice. The other shades are also really nice, and they have a nice deep shade which will cater my deep tan dark skin tone girls. So you have a shade for yourself here. I'm so happy that you will get a shade for you in the blush and the highlighter. Now again, the formula is nice, the blush stays really well, blends seamlessly, and the pigmentation is really nice. So you saw how much product I laid, उतना ही आप एक stroke लगाओ, blend करो, good to go. You really don't have to pick up this again and do more. अगर आप ज़्यादा ब्लश पहनते हो तो थोड़ा और लगा लो, बट एक बेसिक अच्छा ब्लश लगाने के लिए थोड़ा ही प्रोडक्ट बहुत है. So again, the blush is also nice, stays easily up to 7 to 8 hours with or without makeup. And lastly, we have a beautiful highlighter. So I happened to pick up the shade Sunlit Sepia. I wanted to pick up the shade Golden something, but मैं थोड़ा confused हो गई और मैंने ये highlighter ले लिया. So the only difference which you will see here is the packaging का material. This is more of a glossy plastic, that is a matte plastic. Now again here आपको भी cap मिल जाता है. The highlighter is extremely creamy. Like I'll give you like a live demo also. This is my hand. You see that? It's no pressure, and I'm going to blend it onto my hand and I'll show you how it looks. So ये लिया highlighter और आप देखो कितना सीमलेसली ये ब्लेंड हो जाता है स्किन में। सबसे खास बात इन प्रोडक्ट्स की है ना, ये ब्लेंड हो जाती है और पता ही नहीं चलता कि हमने प्रोडक्ट लगाया है। सो दे आर सुपर लाइट। अगेन द हाइलाइटर इज नॉट चंकी, नॉट ग्लिटरी, नॉट शिमरी, इट जस्ट सिंक्स इनटू योर स्किन एंड लुक्स ब्यूटिफुल as the hour passes by. I do feel the highlighter is not the gleaming highlighter which I put in the morning, so थोड़ा fading है highlighter में, but that's fine. But because मैं इन 6 to 7 hours इतनी क्रीसी और ऑयली हो जाती हूँ कि मुझे लगता है वो अच्छा ही है, हाइलाइटर थोड़ा सेटल हो जाता है, नहीं तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ऑयली और बहुत ज़्यादा टैकी दिखूंगी। So the highlighter is also really good. You get 4 shades here and it is priced at $899. Again, ये भी मैंने 30% off में लिया है. So all of these 3 sticks I picked up in 30% off and I paid like 585 rupees each stick. And they are priced at $899. So you check out Nykaa, you check out Myntra for that matter. You will get good discounts. So all of these 3 sticks, well done in formula, pigmentation is high, color payoff is nice, application is wonderful, blendability is excellent, and you are definitely getting some good shades in blush and highlighter. Foundation is definitely lacking few shades, but अगर आपको अभी कुछ स्टार्टर के लिए यूज करना है तो आप ब्लश और हाइलाइटर तो ट्राई कर ही सकते हो। So yes, beautiful launch by Lakme which I fully approve of, and you must try at least 1 stick. अगर आपको कुछ समझ ना आए तो take a blush stick, buy a blush stick, use it, and then try the foundation and the highlighter stick. And there you and I both have discovered a beautiful launch by Lakme. I must tell you, I was waiting for a brand to launch everything into stick format because it gets very convenient to travel with them. They're super lightweight to carry, travel with, and they are easy to work with. मतलब इन प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ आपको ज़्यादा दिमाग लगाने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं होती और आपको ज़्यादा टूल्स की भी रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं होती। आप अपने फिंगर से भी ये प्रोडक्ट्स ब्लेंड कर सकते हो। सो आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट एन इंडियन ब्रांड लाइक Lakme have come out with all of the different sticks, and I think in future I will definitely get the contour stick as well. So if you haven't tried any stick products so far, Lakme का try कर लो. Why do you want to spend 2,500, 3,000 in a brand called Nude Sticks? They are very expensive. Try Lakme. It's a home brand, Indian brand, and you will definitely love the product. Everything will be linked and listed in my description. If you are eyeing any of the products I talked about today, I absolutely loved using them and talking about them today. I'm super excited and I absolutely loved this interesting launch by Lakme. If you really loved watching today's video, consider giving a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram. I will see you in another interesting video. Till then, you take care and I will see you in another one.